Hey guys, today we're going to be learning about variables, and they're used all the time in programming, so it's something to understand early and understand well. So what do variables do for us? Well, basically, if we want Python to remember something, we have to put it in a variable. So we can tell Python that, hey, our name is Kyle, or we could say something like our age is 20, and now I can say print my name, and if I run this, you can see Kyle prints out because what's happening is when Python sees name equals Kyle, it remembers what name is. It remembers that that is equal to Kyle. So when it comes down here and it says print name, it remembers that hey, name is Kyle. So it kind of copies this and replaces the variable with that actual value of Kyle, and that's what we see print out there. So we can do the exact same thing with age. Run this and you can see Kyle and 20 print out. So now I'm just going to go over a few different types of data we have. So when you see these quotes, that's when you can put text into a variable, and we call those strings. When we're just storing a whole number, that's called an integer. We can store things called floats, and floats are decimal numbers, just simply. So we can say something like pi is equal to 3.14. So lastly, we have a thing called Booleans, and they're kind of weird. Basically, it's a true or a false value. So you can say like, is it sunny outside? And we can say true. Or we could say false. So that's it, guys. Those are the 4 basic data types that we can store in variables. So we're going to go into strings a little more since there's some cool things we can do with them later, but that's in a coming tutorial. The last thing I want to tell you guys today is some naming conventions and some rules for naming your variables. So the rules first. So when you're making your name, like it can be anything, like it doesn't have to be even related to your data or anything like that. Like you can literally name them whatever, it doesn't matter. But you cannot start a variable with a number. Python will freak out. It doesn't like that. And don't include any like crazy symbols or anything like that either, because it's also going to freak out. The only symbol that you can use is the underscore, and I'll show you when it's appropriate. So let's say we had a variable called my age. If I type it like this, yeah, I can kind of read that because it's only 5 letters, but if we had a really long variable name, we need to be able to see like spaces in between the words. So what some people do is they put this underscore here. So they can say like my underscore age is equal to 20. And that works. The alternative to this is people will just uppercase every consecutive first letter. So it doesn't matter which one you do. I personally like this, but I mean, I'm just a guy making YouTube videos. So you guys name them whatever you want, and I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for watching.